Hello everyone and welcome to the most wonderful time of the month. Sometimes when it's a good box, I've got my Stitch Fix here to open up with you all. And as always, I am very excited. They've been doing the choice where you get to preview your items and choose which ones you want sent to you. I was only able to see 3 items, I think, that I actually wanted. So I think your stylist sends you another round, but I missed that email, so it's gonna be a surprise what a couple of the items are. And to be honest, I don't remember. I think it was a sweater and 2 pairs of pants that I picked out from the list of things. There was definitely a couple things that were super uggo. At least I didn't like them. So like straight nose there. But yeah, the other stuff just wasn't exciting to me. So we'll see what my stylist did. Hopefully some good picks. I am excited as always to open this up with you guys. Just real quick, if you don't know, Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service, not a subscription. You get to choose how often you do or don't get a fix. It's 20 bucks for the box. You get 5 items, be it clothing, accessories, shoes, etc. And then whatever you keep, the $20 you paid for the box goes towards your purchase, unless you don't buy anything at all, in which case Stitch Fix keeps the 20 bucks for styling you. You also get 25% off of everything if you keep all 5 items. You also get your pre-stamped mailer bag, so any returns or exchanges don't have to pay for. It's all done, and this is it. These are the items. It looks like just smacked myself in the face with that, but it looks like all clothes here. So let's see what we got. I think the sweater on top was one that I chose. So maybe I only see 1 pair of pants. So maybe it was just 1 pair of pants. Okay. But we have a sweater, this beautiful, deep, foresty, jadey green. It's lovely. It's a little hot out today. It's like 73, I think. The Minnesota weather, what are you doing? I'm so confused. But it looks pretty plain, but honestly, this is the kind of sweater I go for. I like it. It's kind of it's a nice knit. I don't know what the actual texture would be called, but I just like that you can dress it up, dress it down, wear it casually. This one, I'm glad it seems thin. It's a little bit see-through there. It's from Pink Clover, which any clothes I've ever gotten from Pink Clover from Stitch Fix, they have held up really, really well. So just overall, I think would be a good staple to have. And like I said, I love this. I love these rich jewel tones on me. Really, really pretty, and just in general. So there's that sweater. I actually think this was the other item I picked out from Kaylee, made in Guatemala. It's a dress. Did I? I think I picked this out. The material feels really cheap. It's really thin. It's probably polyester. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. But either way, it's just this olivey green print. It's an olivey green with a white leaf print to it. It's got a neckline to it. It looks like 3/4 length sleeves, and it's a little bit tiered. I mean, nothing terribly special here, but could be cute on. The material is just a turn off to me. But if it looks really cute, that could definitely change my mind. This feels really soft. Cosmic Blue Love. I don't think I've gotten anything from that brand before. A striped shirt. I'm worried that this is rayon. I'm getting so good. It's 100% rayon. It's lovely and it's so soft now, but I get real nervous with rayon that it's not gonna wash well. I don't know that this is necessarily my style. It's a little resort wear looking to me. I mean, it's not resort, but I don't know, something about the pattern, it reminds me of something that would be on a beach chair. I do like the colors. I'm not sure about this blouse for me, but we will try it on. That is something I do love about Stitch Fix, is it gets me to try on things that I otherwise wouldn't. Sometimes, you know, it goes well, sometimes it doesn't. It looks like maybe a cardigan, and a comfy looking cardigan at that. I love this like faded, rusty rose kind of a color. It's really pretty. It's just a standard cardigan, I think, but it's got this texture along the neck and going down the front and at the bottom of the sleeves. It's really nice and soft. It has pockets. It looks long. Looks like something I would definitely wear. It's rayon, polyester, and spandex, but it feels really nice, so that's exciting. And then I believe these are the jeans that I selected. Some black denim. I wouldn't call this denim. I actually don't tend to love this material. I feel like usually pants of this material, plus, God, I hate the smell of black dye. It's just awful. But they do feel stretchy. I don't know, something about this particular material, like it's really spandexy. It usually doesn't look great on my fupa. Let's see. It's rayon, cotton, polyester, and spandex. This is the Ellie High Rise from STS Blue. We'll see. I mean, they looked like a black pair of pants. They've got the zipper on the pocket there. I thought that was kind of cool, but I mean, hey, prove me wrong. If these fit me really well, I will be a happy camper, no complaints. But that's the thing. I gotta try them on. And we're gonna try on everything together. Let's go. All right, so here is the first outfit, if you will. We have got this sweater, which I haven't looked in the mirror or anything, but it feels amazing. It feels like it fits me perfectly, where it's not like so tight, but it's definitely form-fitting enough. You know, you can see my figure. It's a great length. I love that I'm not sure that you're gonna be able to see against the black, but it's got a scoop to the bottom of it. Love that. So the sweater, I'm really, really loving. The sleeves are my favorite length of sleeve. Kind of goes into my palms. The pants are just not, I don't like this material. I wish I could describe it, but I think most people have tried on pants made out of this kind of a material, where they just end up like having all these folds in the thighs because of the material. It's almost like it's too silky soft. I mean, otherwise they do look like they fit me really well. I do like the zip detail, but overall, I just know that I would never wear them, A, because of the smell, and B, because of the material. They're comfy. I just know that I hate the way that it feels when it puckers around the thighs like this. I don't know if it means there's too much material or what. It's kind of a little bit much in the crotch as well. But anyways, at least, hey, here's the sweater. We also have this top that it's just not for me. I don't know, I suppose you could like do it in a little tie if you wanted, or, you know, wear it the grown-up adult way, but I don't love the sleeves. They're a little tight. They're loose, but they're tight. It's kind of strange, and the style just isn't my thing. It's just not the look for me. Let's see though with this cardigan. I don't know if these were meant to get paired together, probably not. Maybe though. They almost match in a mismatchy kind of a way. But here is the cardigan. It doesn't feel like anything special. I mean, it's fine. I don't know, maybe it's cute. Maybe I would like it more if I had on a different top underneath it. I do like that it's lightweight and it is nice and soft. We love a pocket moment. It's a good length. It covers my butt, which I do like. I don't know, maybe, depending on the price. I like the color of it and everything. I think maybe it's just the shirt underneath that I'm just not digging, because otherwise, it'd be a cute cardigan. And then the dress, I mean, I haven't looked in a mirror. It feels perfectly average. Like I said though, the material, it feels so cheap, but it's a good length on me. It does feel very swishy. Yes. Probably getting all the underwear lines, but it feels really cheap, and it doesn't feel like it would breathe like at all. So I'm pretty sure I would be a sweaty beast in this, and it just wouldn't be comfortable. So it's not awful, but we own better, we can do better. So definitely not the best Stitch Fix I've ever gotten. However, I do want the green sweater. So let's take a look. Let's say, oh, hello, and see, well, let's see what my stylist said, and then we can look at the prices. So shebang. Victoria is super excited to style my 40th fix. That is insane. Also delighted about the last fix and was hoping today will feel the same if not better. It's okay, Victoria, it happens. They can't all be complete knockouts. So she did a layering combo that I could have paired with the black utility style pocket pants. I think, yep, with the button down top and then the lightweight cardigan to pull it all together. I understand the idea of the outfit. It's just not necessarily my style. She wants to know if there's any accessories I want, let her know, etc. So that is that. There we go. Thank you for styling me, Victoria. Not your fault that they weren't all hits. Sometimes things just don't fit right or feel right, and that's life. So let's see how much things cost. The button down is 64 bucks. I would price that retail at like 45 bucks, so that feels a little pricey. The pink clover is 46 bucks. I would say that's about right. I could see it being sold at like a Macy's or something for $42, $38, $42. The open pocket cardigan is 58 bucks. I just don't love it enough. I like it. If I found it at a thrift store, I would probably buy it for like 5 bucks, but I don't love it. So I am not going to keep that for 58. The dress is 54 bucks. Like I said, the quality is not there. It feels like a $30 dress, and the pants are $59. So yeah, just not for me. That's okay. I am still really excited about the green sweater. I really like this one. I will get a ton of wear out of that for the fall and winter for sure, and just in general. So you guys can let me know what you thought of my Stitch Fix this month. What did you think of the pieces? All of that good stuff. You can also, if you want to get Stitch Fix for yourself, I am an affiliate. Anyone can be an affiliate. It's not because I have YouTube, it's just because I do Stitch Fix. So if you want, I've got my link down below. You can check them out. It'll get you money off of your Stitch Fix, and it'll also get me some money back. So a little synergetic moment for the both of us. Synergetic, yeah, that's the word, right? It goes both ways. Happy deal for all of us. But yeah, either way, you can do whatever you want, and I just hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap the notification bell down below and become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye.